nah, 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 nah. I pull the roof down just to look at the clouds. New click, called no broke niggas allowed. Smooth bitch, smell like she came out the shower. I moved in, cause that pussy got a hold of me now. You're holding me down, yeah. We running the town.
Hi everybody, I know I look like a hot mess, but I just like tied my hair up a little bit. I'm gonna be doing just a spring makeup look, and this is gonna be an inspired palette that I got recently from Boxycharm. This is the pure palette because I never tried it yet. So I'm just basically gonna show you guys my look for this palette, what I came up with, and my review and all that stuff. And if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and don't forget to ring that bell so you guys can get notified when I upload a video. Palette, and if you guys haven't known what it looks like yet, it's this one, and it's from Boxycharm subscription for this month. So the first thing I will do is use this one as my moisturizer.
But now I'm leaving quickly. Credit charge, permit to fraud, margaritas? Yeah, she got a man on me. Yeah, you wanna lay the hands on me. Yeah, but you should see the way she dance on me. Yeah, wishing I ain't had no pants on me. You know what's I wish I never met her.
I'm begging is a doozy, but beggars cannot. I'm impressed. The way you do it on your own, I'm impressed. Yeah, I'm impressed. Fucking blind, get the money done. I need face, I need brain, concentrate. I go phone, product case, get Louis, rock the lace. Fuck the move, buy the ace, fuck the gold, drive a rave. Get some money, fuck the rollie, patty face. My career taking off, these hoes jogging in place. Where these hoes on their mouth, how these hoes out of shape. Can't stop with all the subs, bitch, I ain't.
So yeah, this is what I came up with as my makeup look. I think it's pretty cute for spring. So I used this palette, only these colors in the top row, and then I used one right here. I didn't use like some of the colors yet, but so far from what I've used, I really like the pigmentation. And I tried no primers, so this is pretty good. So there's no primer on my eyes, so you guys can see how pigmented it is. I didn't spray anything. So for this palette, I would rate it as a 10 out of 10 because I feel like without no primer on your eyes and it still comes out as like this, it's pretty good. So yeah, that's like the pigmentation from what I've seen. I really like this look because it's very neutral and natural. That makes sense. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you guys stick around. You guys said bye, guys.
Merry-go round, I got the ice on break. Goons on sight, cause if niggas get the drippin', then my dogs might bite, yeah. I'm the type of nigga hit it on the first night, yeah. Swerve life when she asked me, can she spend the night here? Heard them niggas hating on the team, bitch, I might. I pull the roof down just to look at the clouds. New click, call no broke niggas allowed. Smooth bitch, smell like she came out the shower. I moved in, cause that pussy got a hold of me now. You're holding me down, yeah. We running the town, let's catch a flight and treat the world like a merry-go-round. I got the ice on break. Goons on sight, cause if niggas get the drippin', then my dogs might bite, yeah. I'm the type of nigga hit it on the first night, yeah. Swerve life when she